Looking for the best private browser for your browsing needs? Today we're comparing three of the best: Waterfox, Floorp, and Google Chrome. So Waterfox is a browser forked from Firefox that strips out most telemetry, removes many of Mozilla's tracking features, and gives you strong control over cookies, history, and what data is stored. It has enhanced tracking protection and is customizable. It has private browsing mode with the ability to disable saving history, cookies, and searches. Telemetry is disabled by default with minimal data collection. Floorp is a newer browser using Firefox as ESR base, focused on customization and privacy. It advertises minimal user tracking, strong privacy settings, and regular security updates. It has built-in tracker blocker, claims to avoid collecting or selling user data. It has custom layout and features, but with attention to not include unnecessary telemetry. And it has regular security updates aligned with Firefox ESR releases. Google Chrome is the most popular browser globally, but privacy trade-offs are significant. It has many protections such as safe browsing, sandboxing, and updates, but also built-in data collection and many services tied to Google's ecosystem. Its safe browsing helps protect against malicious and malware sites. It has incognito mode, where private browsing hides history locally and clears cookies on close. And some recent features like Privacy Sandbox and restrictions on third-party cookies, though critics argue these still have gaps. So which one should you choose? Choose Waterfox for strong privacy default, telemetry off, good control, and minimal data collection. Floorp is a close second, more modern, customizable, and good for users who want both privacy and a nicer UI. You'd likely need to tweak a few things, but it's solid. Chrome is the last if your priority is privacy. It can be made more private with extensions and settings, but out the box it collects more, and some decisions are driven by Google's wider service model, which often collects user data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.